Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to buy Orange Monkey token crypto coin. Now before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now this is their X account. Now make sure to take a look at it. Now as you can see, this token is available on the screener. So as you can see, the network that come this token under is network Solana. Now you may see this this icon. It's mean that the total local liquidity is 100%. That means that your investment is in safe place. So how to buy this token? Just copy the token address. Now go to Phantom Wallet. Now after that, click on swap. Now from here, make sure you have enough Solana to buy this token. Now from here, click on this and now paste the token address so that save your money and you can select the right token to not lose your money. So after you find your token, click on it and from here enter how much you want to buy, and this is how much you will receive of that token. So if you are ready to go, check the provider that you want. For me, I use Jupiter. Now after that, click on swap and you will be able to transfer, or they will transfer you or redirect you to Jupiter provider to connect to your Phantom Wallet, and after that to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy the Orange token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.